Hello, handmade friends and family. Happy Soup Day to all who celebrate. I can't imagine why there's a soup day. Everyone knows that Soup Day is a season, not a day. It lasts from September until April or May. Don't sell yourself short. The only problem with soup, in my opinion, is the limitless amount of soup there is to choose from. Today, we are making a soup that we've decided on based on a children's book. Jan Brett is one of our favorite authors and illustrators, and she has a book called The Turnip, so we're making a soup featuring a turnip. We have about a quarter cup of olive oil and 2 chopped onions in our pan. There's the star of the show, turnip. We sliced it, we diced it, we peeled it, and now we're sauteing it. Turnip and onions. We've thrown some black-eyed peas in there. That's about a cup of soaked peas. And we put in some vegetable broth, about 7 cups. Now we're adding 2/3 cup of brown rice. And we're going to cook it. We're cooking it for about 45 minutes. We're adding lemon juice, a quarter cup of lemon juice to our pot. Trust me, it tastes good. And some cumin, however much you want. Salt and pepper. Stirring, stirring, stirring. Mama says to stir it clockwise. Something about magic, I don't really know. It's smelling good. Now we're going to cover it and cook it. And we're going to garnish it with parsley. Look at it. It's beautiful. It's tasty. It's not really very hard. Enjoy.